In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install one of the best VPNs, Cyberghost Vpn, on your Samsung Smart TV. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll have added an extra layer of security and privacy to your viewing experience. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to visit the official Cyberghost VPN website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser on your device. Cyberghost is known for its fast, secure, and private VPN services, making it a top choice among users worldwide. Once you're on the Cyberghost homepage, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see the My Account option. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page. If you're not logged in already, this is where you will need to enter your Cyberghost account credentials. And if you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up and subscribe to a plan that suits your needs. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Cyberghost homepage. From here, you want to navigate to the Download Hub. This is your one-stop shop for all software and app downloads related to Cyberghost. Here you can download the applications you need for various devices, including your smart TV. Once you're on the Download Hub page, look for the option labeled TV Apps. Clicking on this option will present you with several download choices tailored for TV devices. Cyberghost VPN ensures compatibility with a variety of television sets and devices, making it easy to find an option that works for you. Next, you'll want to click on the Other Smart TVs option. Cyberghost makes it incredibly easy to adapt their VPN to a multitude of smart TV configurations. Within this section, you will find specific instructions related to Samsung Smart TVs. One important tip to keep in mind is that while Cyberghost offers a user-friendly interface, you may sometimes need to configure certain settings manually on your TV. This may include setting up a connection through your home router if direct integration isn't available. Check the Cyberghost support resources, as they can provide additional help and troubleshooting tips if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of installing Cyberghost VPN on your Samsung Smart TV. With your new VPN setup, you can now enjoy streaming and browsing with privacy and security as part of your viewing experience. Thank you for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time, happy streaming!